Hey guys, Trebor7 here, and today we're going to knock out some video requests. As you know, over the years I've always welcomed video requests, consider them a challenge. Sometimes they take a day, a week, a month, sometimes even years. Well, I've got some that have been on here for about 4 years that I once thought were humanly impossible, but I've changed my mind since then, and we're going to wipe all of them out. I think there's a total of 7 of them right here, right now, in one take. Alright, so just to give you an idea of what we're in for, number 1, roll a drumstick. Number 2, turn on a light. Number 3, move a brick. Number 4, levitate a rock. Number 5, light paper on fire. Number 6, snuff a candle under glass. And number 7, cryokinesis. Alright, so with no further ado, we're going to get right on this. Set it right here. Alright, rolling a drumstick, video request number 1.
This is ridiculous.
Clearly you can see the drumstick is rolling. Alright, off to a good start. Check. Number 2, turning on a light. Now, some of you probably see me surge lights, flicker lights. T7 members have probably even seen me turn on a street light during the day. But I've never just turned on a light. So here we go. Video request number 2, turning on a light.
Yay!
Huh? Check. Move a brick. Now, I thought that was going to be impossible. And of course, bricks are freaking heavy. But this is no ordinary brick. This one's from a church. You can tell because it's holy. Alright, here we go. Moving a brick.
You like it?
Yeah, and I know people are going to say, oh, you touched it with your finger. Okay, here we go. Moving a brick without touching it with my finger. Check. Levitating a rock. Levitation. Waited a long time for this one. Alright, observe, watch closely, pay close attention to the elevation. You ready? Yes! Light paper on fire. I'm sure some of you have seen those chi masters. Ooh, and they can just do that. Well, until today, I didn't think I could do it. Here we go. Lighting paper on fire.
Silly thing.
Huh?
I love you.
Eat your heart out, John Chang. Check on lighting the old fire. Snuff a candle under glass. I swear this was a real request, and I hope the gal that asked for this is watching. Here we go. Lighting the old candle under glass.
Honey, look at this.
And snuff a rooski.
Maybe we could live without the wisecracks.
Check.
Yes!
And last but not least, cryokinesis, which is the manipulation of or creation of ice. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take an ordinary glass of distilled water.
This is delicious.
You can see that? I will put it in my mouth and turn it into an ice cube.
Oh, yeah?
Cryokinesis.
You're almost there.
That's what I'm talking about. Cryokinesis. All right. Happy April Fool's Day, guys. Hey, I'm sure most of the people watching now are fully aware this was a prank video as indicated by the little squiggly sign at the beginning of my video title. And those who were unaware it was a prank video, I'm sure they left about the time I flicked that drumstick. Oh, these April Fool's Day videos always get me a lot of flack. A lot of people hate them, and I lose subscribers and everything. But I say, hey, you know, good riddance. Those people had no sense of humor to begin with. So, and well, one good thing about this year's upload, though, I didn't have one of those things that startle you. Jump scare. Yeah, that's it. At least we didn't have any of those. Oh, well, in reward for your high tolerance for tomfoolery, I'm going to drop some information here at the end that's going to blow your mind. and could make you a ton of money. So patience pays off today, guys. I appreciate you guys sticking around through all this nonsense, and I guess I'll see you next April 1st. Peace!
You thought it was real. You believed ordinary people could develop superhuman abilities. You knew Trebor's TK demonstrations were legit, and his video tutorials would help you discover your psychic powers. But you were wrong. Everyone knows real psychic abilities do not exist. Mankind has been fooled by professional magicians and charlatans like Trebor for centuries. But now, with the release of this amazing new product, you too can easily trick your friends into believing in telekinesis and make thousands of dollars on YouTube. Introducing, for the first time ever, Trebor 7's amazingly strong and super flexible magic invisible string.
Thanks, David.
You're welcome, Trebor.
That's right, folks. Nearly all the demonstrations shown on my channel were done using my amazing invisible string. I personally helped create this string for the sole purpose of faking telekinesis, and I can guarantee it's not like that cheap synthetic magician string that requires perfect conditions and months of practice to use convincingly. My string works perfect right out of the box every time. It is state-of-the-art, cutting-edge AI fiber technology combined with organic materials, making it not only 100% invisible to the naked eye, but also the strongest and most flexible single-strand fiber in the world. I call it Trebor 7's amazingly strong, super flexible, invisible magic string. It's made from deep pigmented albino African camel hair, hand woven by a dear friend of mine, a 91-year-old blind shaman known for his infinite wisdom in regard to all things invisible. And I can guarantee that this product will never be sold in stores, and there will be no link in the video description. This is just a top secret, exclusive one-time offer available only to the people watching this video right now. So quickly, jot this URL down on a piece of paper or type it directly into your browser address bar and hit enter. That's Trebor7 bar amazingly strong / super flexible / all - natural _ organic entirely invisible magicstring.com. And for a limited time, you can purchase up to 100 feet of my authentic hand-woven deep pigmented albino African invisible string at only 99 cents per foot. That is literally less than what it cost me to make it, folks. So why am I giving away all my trade secrets and the most incredible invisible string known to man for pennies on the dollar? I'll tell you why. Because YouTube commissions have made me filthy rich. In fact, on July 7th at 7:07, I'm deleting my entire channel. This will give everyone smart enough to buy my magic string a chance to make millions of dollars on YouTube just like I did. This is not a joke, and this is not a scam. I do not want your money. I just want you to have a profitable, fake telekinesis channel like mine so you can quit school or your stupid day job and start living the good life just like me. Opportunity knocks but once, my friends. Do not delay. Quickly jot this URL down and visit today. This offer ends July 7th, so get your magic string today and start becoming a millionaire tomorrow. It's really that easy.
This offer is entirely bogus and meant for entertainment purposes only. All products, prices, and websites were fictional. Anyone stupid enough to purchase something invisible should seek professional help. Blind shaman, gift of gab, and editing software not included. Please see fictional website for more detailed disinformation.